Hi everyone, Corey with Weasler Engineering here, talking to you today about the Weasler E-Kit. What is the E-Kit? Well, the E-Kit provides extended lubrication intervals. Minimally, the E-Kit will have a 50-hour lube cycle, but may be extended to 250 hours depending on the application. This is compared to 8 hours with our standard cross and bearing kit. Think of hard to access areas, underbelly locations, or manure handling, corrosive contaminants. The E-Kit becomes an essential part of your PTO driveline. One thing that I always like to mention when people hear the word extended lube, they may think that it cannot be greased. This is not the case here. The E-Kit was born out of a need to keep up with the rigorous demand of large OEMs. As equipment became larger and larger, along with more technical design requirements, the demand for less downtime and longer maintenance intervals became a priority. The design and testing of the Weasler E-Kit was one of the largest duration projects we undertook. With countless hours of in-house and field testing, the E-Kit was born. How do we do this? Well, the extended grease intervals, minimum 50 hours, is achieved through several design improvements. One of these improvements is the larger diameter roller bearing, with each individual roller bearing being crowned at the top and the bottom to allow better grease flow. The crown roller bearing also reduces torque thrust load at high angle, which in turn reduces friction and heat, extending the lube cycles. Another design improvement is the triple-lipped high-temperature seal. The largest enemy of a cross and bearing kit is contaminants. By utilizing a triple-lipped seal, there are 3 seal surfaces keeping grease in and contaminants out. Another feature you may notice is that the seal is set within the cup as compared to the standard cross and bearing kit where the seal sits on the cap edge. With the seal set inside the cup, there is no chance of the seal dislodging when you are greasing. Another additional design feature are the serrations located inside the bearing cap. These 4 grease channels allow for even grease distribution when greasing the cross and bearing kit. This feature helps extend the life of the kit also. The E-Kit is produced with a much cleaner, higher quality steel versus the R-Kit. This allows the same series cross and bearing kit to maintain a higher horsepower rating. In the below example, you can see the R-Kit horsepower rating at 540 RPM is 51 horsepower. When using the E-Kit, the same size cross and bearing kit is rated at 70 horsepower. In some OEM applications, we're able to downsize a 35 series driveline to a 14 series, utilizing the higher horsepower rating of the E-Kit. Ultimately, higher torque capacity and longer life reduces downtime. The E-Kit helps you avoid costly driveline repairs. Typically, when a cross and bearing kit breaks, there are subsequent parts needing repair, which equals additional repair costs. For easy identification, the E-Kit utilizes a bright orange seal. If you see the orange seal, it is an E-Kit. Also, in the center of the cross and bearing kit, there is an E cast into the cross. This is just another easy way to tell if you are working with an E-Kit. When purchasing a replacement, it is okay to upgrade from a standard cross and bearing kit to an E-Kit, but you never want to replace the E-Kit with a standard cross and bearing kit, so watch out for that. Thanks for taking the time to view this video around our E-Kit. Please reach out to Weasler with any questions you may have about the product, and have a great day.